Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the language in the Outlast Trials. Let's begin by opening the settings. From there, navigate to language. Here you can set the audio language either to English or to French. I'll stick with English. Then you can change the interfaces and subtitle language. And there are few languages to pick from, honestly. You can enable or disable the subtitles. I recommend leaving them turned on, and you can change the subtitle size. I'll go with medium. You can enable or disable the subtitle background. What does that mean? If you leave it turned on, the background behind the subtitles will be a black bar, honestly. And if you leave it turned off, it will just be the text. The black bar improves the contrast and visibility for you. So I recommend turning it on. But you do you. Once you made your changes, hit apply. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.